Namaste everyone, welcome to ICA campus. Today I will take you through of all safety measures we are following just to create safe environment for you all. At ICA, your safety is our priority. So whoever visits ICA need to follow this set protocol. At the time of entrance, all the visitors need to follow social distancing protocol. First of all, they need to sanitize their hands. Secondly, they need to check their body temperature by using infrared thermometer. Third, they need to sanitize their bag. And finally, they need to sanitize their shoes as well before entering into the premises. During entrance, corridors are marked with the social distancing norms. Housekeeping staff are also assigned with the duties for disinfecting public area frequently. Even student lab kitchen has foot operated hands-free sanitizer, which every student need to sanitize their hands and then only they will allow to enter in the food environment. Even in student lab kitchen, which can accommodate 24 students, we are just taking 12 students in a batch. Here also you can see we have marked red spots which can show you that students, they need to stand onto these spots so that they can maintain 6 feet distancing in between. They are well briefed about IICA protocol, and that is really important. Whoever comes in the IICA premises, whether that will be faculty or student, they have to follow IICA protocol. We have planned 2 separate hand wash as well as utensil cleaning area in both the sides, and at a time only one student is allowed washing utensils. Even in the theory room, we are maintaining social distancing by keeping 6 feet gap in between the chairs. We are entering to bakery and pastry kitchen. Here also, like main kitchen, we have made red spots which students need to follow as per social distancing norm. Generally, in our bakery, we can accommodate 16 students. But now, as per this pandemic, we are just accommodating 8 students. So here also you can see we have marked red spots where it's compulsory that students need to stand onto the specific mark. We have also set protocol for boys locker room in which only 3 students are allowed at a time in the washroom. So now looking forward to see you all.